In a quiet little village, where stone houses glowed under the sun and the smell of bread floated through the air, there lived a man who had nothing except hunger. But this is not just a tale of food. No, this is a tale about fairness and a clever mind. One day the man stood outside the village's most famous restaurant. Inside, pots boiled with spiced lamb and rice. Outside, the man closed his eyes and simply breathed in the delicious smell. He smiled. It was the closest thing to a meal he could afford, but not everyone saw it that way. The restaurant owner, a loud man with a red face and short temper, stormed out, "Hey, what are you doing? You're stealing the smell of my food. Pay me." The poor man stuttered, I didn't touch anything. I just smelled it." "Smelled it, ate it, same thing," shouted the cook. A crowd began to gather. They took the matter to Nasreddin Hodja, the village's wise and witty judge. Hodja listened quietly. He stroked his long beard, then asked the poor man, "Do you have any coins?" Nervously, the man pulled out 2 small copper coins. Hodja held them up and shook them in his hand. Clink, clink, clink. Then he turned to the cook. "There, you've been paid, with the sound of money, for the smell of food." The villagers burst into laughter. The cook turned redder than ever, and the poor man smiled. You see, true justice doesn't always wear a robe or swing a hammer. Sometimes justice is found in the quiet wisdom of someone who knows that not everything can be priced, and not everything that's taken is stolen.